In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a scene in Descript. If you're working on a project and find that there's a scene you no longer need, it's quite straightforward to remove it. So let's dive in and see how this can be done efficiently. First, you need to head over to your browser and go to Descript's website. If you haven't already signed in, make sure to do that first. Once you're on the main page, you'll see an option to navigate to your account. Click on your account to log in. You might need to enter your credentials here, so have those ready. When you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to a screen where you can view all your recent projects. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available to you. Next, you'll want to locate the project that you're working on. Click on the project to open it, and this will take you into the editor where you can see all the scenes of your project laid out in front of you. It's a really helpful view that lets you get an overview of everything you've been working on. Now find the specific scene you want to delete. Navigate through your scenes in the project until you spot the one you no longer need. It's okay to take your time here. You want to make sure you're deleting the right scene. Once you've located the scene, it's time to delete it. You have a couple of options here. You can either right-click on the scene with your mouse, which will bring up a menu with several options. One of those options will be Delete. Simply click that, and the scene will be removed from your project. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply select the scene and hit either the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. This will instantly remove the scene just like that. Choose whichever method feels most comfortable for you. And there you have it. Your scene should now be deleted, streamlined from your workflow into Descript. It really is that simple to tidy up your project and keep things organized. Remember, once a scene is deleted, it can be hard to recover, so make sure it's really not needed before you remove it. This step is crucial if you're working collaboratively or under tight deadlines. That wraps up our guide on how to delete a scene in Descript. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.